Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to verify your debit card on Robinhood step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. If Robinhood made two small deposits into your bank account, like if you want to do it, you have to open the Robinhood app on your phone, and if you're on your PC, you can do it using their official website. This one, you can see the link right here. You can just simply search it on your browser, any browser. It can be Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. You just have to go and paste this link and it will redirect you to their official website. Now here you can see this option called sign up. You can sign up, also you can log in from here, and from this option you can choose if you're an from European or if you are from UK. So just tap on to sign up now. So after completing your sign up, it is asking for a country or region, like choose UK or United States. For example, I'm going to choose United States, then tap continue. It is asking for my IDs, like government ID. You have to enter your government's ID's first name, then last name, then you have to enter your official email address and a secret password, at least 10 characters. That's it. Now you can continue, and if you already have an account previously created, you can tap on to login to complete your application. So after logging in, you have to tap on the person icon like this. It will show it to like this person icon. You have to tap onto that to access your account. Then you have to go to transfer option. You will see an option called transfer, then tap onto linked accounts, and from there you will find an option called verify. So enter the two deposit amounts to verify your account. Now link your debit card app or web. Go to your account person icon, like the person icon is showing you. Then follow the steps I told you earlier, like you have to choose your debit card, enter your debit card information, and then tap to link card. Now you have to convert the verification charge, like it takes like $11.95 to your bank account. I mean, it charges around $12 to deposit your money to bank account. Now check your bank statement for the 11.95 charge. Look for a description starting with RH, basically it means Robinhood, followed by a 6-digit code. Copy the code. It may show up within a few minutes, take longer depending on your bank. So that's it. Now you have to enter the code in Robinhood. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation and your debit card will be ready to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.